Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Really, this is a big mistake of American, and also I'm thinking it will be a little conspiracy, including with that. The Taliban, they declared amnesty to all the people. Even before that, when the American declared that some interpreter, they will take it to other countries by American. The Taliban delegation came and they spoke to the American authorities that that's not good. If you need any kind of guarantee for their life, we will not damage them. We fully forgive them. That's if he did wrong or not, the people. But they are the people of Afghanistan. We don't want them to be exiled from Afghanistan. They can stay safely in Afghanistan, and they can stay in Afghanistan. They can work there. That the Taliban, they are giving any kind of guarantee. Even when the Taliban came to the Kabul, they didn't capture anyone. They didn't kill anyone. There is no proof for that. Why the people, they are coming to the airport to go? This is two kind of people. One kind of people, they were working with the American before. In military, they were interpreter. They were going to the home of the people for the night raid. And they did something wrong. But the Taliban forgave them. Still, they are feeling like we are criminal. We cannot able because we were working with the occupation. We did wrong against the people of Afghanistan. This is something is not to be forgiven. I think this is their feeling, but the Taliban forgive them. They will not be care about that.